Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Santa Slay. And before we jump into today's makeup, we're just going to get into this summer outfit slash day party outfit. And this outfit is from FashionNova. It's not showing too much, it's not showing too little. I ordered this outfit in a size medium. It was very comfortable throughout the day. My boobs didn't pop out, so that was good. It was nice stretchy material, so I didn't have to worry about the outfit possibly not fitting. Super cute and affordable outfit. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. So we're just going to start off with my brows, and I am using my NYX brow gel. Now I'm just going in with my LA Girl concealer and just cleaning up my brows wherever I might have messed up anything. So now I'm just going in with that same concealer to prime my eyelids. So now I'm going in with this shade from my Morphe palette, and this is the only shade I'll be using in this video. I'm not sure what it is about this shade or this palette, but it has definitely been my go-to palette and shade since I don't know how long. It just looks so beautiful on all skin tones, and just every time I do my makeup, honestly, I'm most likely reaching for the shade, and if I'm doing someone else's makeup, I'm reaching for the shade too, and it just always looks beautiful every single time. I did go ahead and do my lashes and my wing liner off camera, so now I'm just going in with my Becca foundation, and I will have like everything about that in the description bar. This has been my go-to foundation for the last few weeks. It's actually my favorite right now. It's a medium coverage dewy foundation, so I just feel like it gives me that perfect summer glow that I'm trying to go for in this video. So now I'm just going in with my favorite Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. And I promise I'm going to find another concealer. I feel like I use this all the time in every video, but I just feel like once I get into a concealer that I really like, it's just hard for me to break away from it. Now I'm just going in with my damp Real Technique sponge, and I'm just going to blend my concealer in. I mean, look how this concealer is blending into my skin. Could you even blame me for always wanting to use this? Like, what? So now I'm just going in with a lighter concealer to brighten up my under eye. So we're using our foundation brush per usual, and I used to use my beauty sponge, but I just found that using my foundation brush, it just looks so much better, and I just like the finish overall. I'm going in with my Airspun setting powder, and I'm just setting all the places I highlighted. So now I'm going in with my Cover FX palette to set all the places that I contour. Now I'm just going to use this shade from my Anastasia Beverly Hills powder kit to contour my nose. We're just brushing away all that excess powder from baking now. And I like to blend in a circular motion up under my contour so it could just melt in better together. Now we're just going back in with that same Cover FX palette, and we're going to use the blush. So now I'm going to go in with my Ofra highlighter in the color Rodeo Drive. This was my first time using this highlighter, and I actually got it in one of my Ipsy bags one month, and let me tell you, this is like probably the best highlighter I've ever used. It's like perfect for my complexion, and it really just gave me that sun-kissed like glow that I was going for. And yeah, like I have so many high-end highlighters, and this is probably the best one I have. We're just going to go ahead with the Urban Decay setting spray and just set everything and make sure everything stays in place. So I decided to go ahead and use that same highlighter on my shoulder blades and my neck area and my breast area to just give me that super like dewy, perfect summer bronzy glowy look that I was going for. And let me tell you, like, your girl was definitely glowing and just looking blessed, okay? And this is the final look. Your girl is slaying and ready to play. This is the perfect day party summertime vibe and makeup. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.